Story of Abhimanyu. As the 12th day ended, Krishna observed that Arjuna did not wanted to strike Bhishma and Drona and said to him that in a war they are soldiers who are fighting for dharma and adharma. On the Kaurava side, Drona has observed that Krishna always kept Arjuna away from Karna. Karna had joined the war after the fall of Bhishma, and one day an old man came to Karna. Karna, as usual, asked what he wanted, and the old man immediately asked for Karna's earring and his armor, which had been the part of his body since his birth. Karna removed the armor like a bark from a tree using a sharp knife. The old man was Indra in disguise, king of gods, father of Arjuna, and out of love for his son had gone to take the armor. But when God Indra saw Karna's selflessness, he revealed his identity and said that he salutes Karna, the son of Surya, and in charity there is no parallel. God Indra gave a celestial spear to Karna as a gift and said that it can be used only once. Karna decided to use it against Arjuna. Krishna came to know this and kept Arjuna away from Karna from the moment Karna had joined the war. Now Drona asked Karna to drive his chariot along with him. So Krishna went on the other side of the battlefield. Then Drona devised the dangerous Chakravyuha on the 13th day to capture Yudhishthira. A Chakravyuh is a battle formation of soldiers which encircles and entraps the enemy, and it becomes harder to conquer as the person reaches the inner layers. Only Arjuna knew how to break this formation. Drona was able to entrap some of the major warriors of the Pandava army along with Yudhishthira, who cried out for help to Arjuna. As Karna was present in the Chakravyuha, Krishna did not wanted Arjuna to go there, so he blew his conch, and Arjuna was not able to hear Yudhishthira's cry for help. Abhimanyu, Arjuna's son from Subhadra, who was entrapped along with Yudhishthira, said that he knew how to break the Chakravyuh and help them escape, but he did not know how he can escape. He further said that he overheard this from Arjuna when he was still in his mother's belly. So Yudhishthira gave word that after escaping from the Chakravyuh, he will come back and save Abhimanyu. But when he escaped and mobilized his forces and came back, his way was blocked by Jayadratha and his army. So Drona got the time to close the Chakravyuh, and Abhimanyu found himself surrounded by his uncles and cousins. Duryodhana, Dussasana, Lakshman, Kritavarma, Kripa, Karna, Drona, and Ashwathama, who attacked him together. Vikarna said that it was against the rule for many warriors to attack a single warrior. But Drona argued that the Pandavas have broken a rule by bringing women against Bhishma. Abhimanyu fought back bravely. Outside the Chakravyuh, Yudhishthira can hear Abhimanyu's cries for help and cannot do anything.